How to start over. Sometimes you can lose count or forget to use your stitch markers when you're crocheting. We will show you how to start over if you have an incorrect number of stitches. This round should have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Since you made 2 additional stitches, let's unravel our yarn and figure out where to resume our project. If you make the same mistake and need to figure out where your round should end, look for the first stitches of each round. See here? Starting from your magic ring, find the first single crochet in your first increase for round 2. Then count upwards to trace the first single crochets you've made on top of each one until you reach your latest round. Continue to unravel your yarn until you're in your correct spot, then add your stitch marker so you don't make the same mistake again. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.